All right, let's continue with the UVing of this area. Let's do a planar mapping. I'll isolate. I'll delete the faces that I don't need. And then just select the edges that I want to cut. And take out the shells. And unfold. Same thing on the sides. Select the two ends. And fold. And just attach it to one. This one, just cut them here. And when you have a flat plane, you cannot do an unfold because for some reason it's just going to disappear. So for this, I'll just grab all the faces, automatic mapping, so I get all the shells. And that's that. And since we did an automatic mapping on this part, it doesn't have the same texel density. So you want to grab the texel density for this shell and pass it to the next shell. Rotate these, unfold again so that it becomes straighter. And that's it. We have it already laid out. This could be a little bit straighter, but you pack it as best as you can. You have one. Now let's do these. And these, for the most part, are easy to unwrap. So let's do a planar mapping. We'll grab this one. I want to cut here and all around the ring. That way I have two shells. And this one unfold. And if I can't unfold it, then I'll do another planar mapping, but from some other axes. And then cut, unfold, and straighten UVs. There you go. Now for this one, I want the seam on the top. That way I can't see it if I'm standing down the game. But it really doesn't matter since you can always rotate the mesh afterwards. But so we have the wheel, then cut, grab one face, grab the other. And this one, we unfold. And there you go. And if you don't want to do the same process, since both are the same, what you can do is copy the name, separate, and since one already has the UVs, grab it, select the other one, and transfer the UVs. Makes it easier. And then delete history. Now both of them are the same. And then you can combine them back again. Work smart, not hard. We have that. For the cable. For the cable, all you will want to do is select a whole line like so. and cut it like halfway and cut the UVs. Let's say you have planar mapping on it. You can just grab the whole thing, cut it here, cut, grab the shell, unfold, and it'll unfold in a straight line. Unfold, the same thing. And this one is the ring. But that's all you want to do for the rope. I'll go back since I already did it. And then for the ring, same process as any other. Just grab one of the edges, cut it, and unfold. And that was that for the ring. Let's go with these. So for this, I'll just do another planar, and I'll do a planar from the X. And then I'll grab these faces and isolate, and then cut all the way to here, to the bottom. Cut, grab it, unfold. Same thing with this one. From the top all the way to the bottom. Cut, unfold. And this one, we grabbed an edge that we weren't supposed to, so grab it back, sew it, unfold again. That's it. Now we gotta grab the two rings. For the two rings, grab both of them, cut, unfold, and unfold. And let's check why it didn't go around the loop. Oh, it actually did. So in order for you to get the whole thing, let's just open it here and cut, unfold, and unfold. That way we have strain UVs, and then you can straight the UVs afterwards. Now let's do the wheel. We do another planar mapping. Isolate. Select the edges. Cut. Move this out. Move this. Unfold. That one stays the same. And then we gotta cut the inner ones. So we have the inner one here, unfold. Same thing, if it doesn't unfold, planar mapping. Planar mapping from somewhere else. Cut. Unfold. Strain UVs. Grab this one, get, set. And now we have the inner circles. For the inner parts, grab this one, grab this one. We cut. And we move out of the way. So if you unfold, this one is gonna just open up all these crevices. And then this one will probably have to do another planar from somewhere else. grab the edge, cut, unfold. So I like to call UVs like a mindless task, because once you get used to it, you're basically repeating the same process over and over. So it's just a matter of getting used to the tools and thinking where your cuts are gonna be and where you're gonna place stuff. Unfold. I'm done with that. And I'm done with the wheel. So then all you want to do is grab one of the shells, get, and then select everything else. And set. And there you go. Now everything's scaled. And these, I'm just gonna stack them. So stack shells, stack and orient, and then I'll just rotate them. There you go. There you go with the wheel. And then the second wheel, we can do the same thing. And you always see me making things straight. I like to have all my UVs in 90-degree angles. It makes it easier for texturing. When you have things that do an automatic for these, when you have things on angles, it's kind of hard, especially when you're texturing. You have to like paint things diagonally. Sometimes it's kind of hard depending on the effect that you want to do. So, or if you want to match, let's say you have a cut from here to here, but it's slanted. It's hard to match it in Substance or in the Painter program. So I like to have it in 90 degrees. That way I know where to specifically draw my lines. And that's just a personal preference. You could do it however you want. And these, we'll do an automatic and see what we get. And the reason we are getting this stretching, again, is because this probably has, it has translates. So you want to just delete it, then do a freeze transformation, and then if you do it again, actually if you do automatic mapping, I'll do a better job now. So we could do an automatic mapping. And then we want to sew this one together. And this one. That's that. Got the front face. This one. This one. But I want all these together. And just unfold. Unfold. Fold back again. And the inner one. And unfold. There you go. We can also merge this one as well. Unfold. There you go. And then the bottom one, we can attach it over here. I don't want to do that. Then get, set, and you're done. And then this one, this mesh and this mesh have the same typology. So you can transfer the UVs and then scale it down. So let's select that, the parent, child, mesh, transfer attributes, and then grab this one, move it, grab both of them, and then get, set, and there you go. So now we have this UV'd, we have both wheels, we have the rope, we have these. For some reason. Get, set. So now let's think of how we're gonna start packing it. I'm thinking of putting, we're actually missing this one, this mesh. Right, so let's do the crate. Let's do an automatic just to see what we get. Get a lot of parts. But we can just grab some of them, move it, move and sell to make them one. That one, that one, that one. Move. So now we have 4 logs. And you see I'm selecting the edges on the viewport. It's because I already have the idea how they're gonna be cut or where they need to be merged. So that's why it's going, the process is going a little bit faster. And I'm gonna stack all these, so it doesn't really matter. I just want them all the same. So stack shells. Let me see something. Oh, because these are opposite. I don't want to stack opposites. So I'll fold these. These are the slanted ones, and I'll put them in a 90 degree. Straight UV, straight UVs, and then stack them together. We have 2 more here. Unfold. String UVs. Unfold back again. String UVs. Then grab all these, stack them together. Done. Then we gotta just select these and see what they are. Oh, these are the ends. So for the ends, I'll just grab all the top ones and merge. This one and this one, the same thing, merge. Still have the ones in the bottom. Yep. So do the same thing, grab the edges, move in so, and we still have 2 more that we have to look for. Oh, these are the inner ones. We don't need those. Definitely we don't. Just select these and delete them. And then we have these 4 little faces, which are, if I'm not mistaken, is from these slanted ones. And all I want to do is go into face, deselect the outer faces, and delete them. So now we have all our parts. Grab all these shells, stack the shells. These are inverted. And this one deleted. So now all we want to do is grab all the things that we want in one sheet